Good morning, children. In Tuesday's class, we have completed reading of a healthy meal. A healthy meal is a happy meal. And I have told you that in my next class, we will write question and answer. We will complete the exercise. See, children, from page number 182, there is one question. How will I keep my body healthy? What is the question? How I will keep my body healthy? And what we have learned about eating healthy food, about drinking clean and pure water, then taking sleep for at least 8 hours, then doing exercise regularly, having a bath daily, and keeping our surrounding also clean. So to keep a body healthy, you have to keep first of all yourself fit and fine, and you have to keep your surrounding also clean. So here I have written this answer in the points which is there in the textbook. So all of you look here. First we will read the question and answer. What is the question? How will I keep my body healthy? The first one is I must eat good food. So what you are going to do first? You are going to eat good food. What is that? What is the good food? The food that are good for health. The food you eat that should be good for your health. They are eggs, fruits, vegetables and nuts. Already we have picked these words which is there. Eggs, fruits, vegetables and nuts. And what you have to avoid? You have to avoid junk food. Very rare or very less you have to eat chips, cold drinks, burger, that all. So here you have to eat good food. Second point, I must drink clean water. Now in which way you are going to drink clean water? So here the water that we should not use for drinking. Already we have to drink clean and pure water. But here the water that we should not use for drinking are that from, and that water are from pond, pot and tap. They have given that three picture. One open pond is there, that the water is open, maybe germs lay eggs on that open air, and the pot is open where many flies and germs are sitting on that, and a tap that unclean water is there. So here second point is I must drink clean water. The water that we should not use for drinking are that from pond, pot and tap. Third point is I must sleep well at night. What you have to do? You have to sleep very well at night for at least 8 hours. So how many hours you have to sleep? How many hours you have to sleep, children? 8 hours. So that you have to sleep early at night, and in the morning you have to get up early in the morning. So I must sleep well at night, at least for 8 hours. You have to sleep for at least 8 hours. And don't sleep more than 8, 10 hours, 12 hours. That is also not good for your health. Fourth point, I must exercise regularly. See children, now only you have to make the habit of doing yoga. On morning you have to get up. As you are sleeping early, you will get up early in the morning. At least you have to go for a morning walk or do jogging. That is your exercise. So, fourth point is, I must exercise regularly. What you have to do? You have to do exercise regularly. Fifth one, I must take a bath every day. So you have to take a bath every day to remove dirt from your body. So that you have to take a bath every day. Fifth point is, I must take a bath every day. Come to sixth one, I must be clean. And you have to stay clean. I must be clean and I must keep everything around me clean. Not only you have to be clean, but you have to keep around you, your surrounding, your home, your area, you have to keep it clean. So these are the 6 point. Once again, we will read question with answer. How will I keep my body healthy? I must eat good food. I must drink clean water. I must sleep well at night. I must exercise regularly. I must take a bath every day. I must be clean and I must keep everything around me clean. So this is the question and answer. Children, note down your homework. This is from your textbook, page number 182. It is from page 182. So note down your homework. Your homework is write this question and answer very neatly one time and read it. Okay, you have to read it. All that 5 to 6 points you have to read it. So copy down this question. Now what we will do? We will open page number 184 and we will complete the exercise from the textbook now. So copy it down. Open page 184. Here write classwork and today's date is 7th of October 2021. Exercise. Question 1. Label the parts of the body. Choose from the words given below. So here you have to choose these words. Head, forehead, chest, ears, nose, eyes, stomach, leg, hand, chin, shoulders, feet. Now children, what you have to do? This is a picture of a body given here. Okay children, now what you have to do? You have to write these words on the given label parts. Okay, I will write, you also write along with me. See children, head, H-E-A-D, head. Forehead, this is forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Nose, this is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Next is chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Next come to that, it is legs, L-E-G-S, legs. After legs, it is a foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Or you can write leg. So, this is foot. Once again read, head, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, shoulder, chin, hand, chest, stomach, leg, foot. Now come to question number 2. What is question number 2? Draw the missing sense organs and write their names. What you have to do? You have to draw the missing parts, missing sense organ. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organ. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. But here you have to write 4 sense organs. So here what is missing here? Eyes. What you have to do? You have to draw the eyes. And you have to write E-Y-E-S. Missing part, eyes. See children, in second, eyes, ears is missing. First one, eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Second one, ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Third one, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Fourth one, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Note down your homework. Children, you have to write and draw these missing parts and the label, draw a boy and you have to label this part. This also you have to draw it in the notebook and this also you have to draw it in the notebook. Read it and complete it in notebook. So what is your homework? You have to draw and complete it in the notebook. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.